Hello, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to install Heat Radio WordPress theme on your server. It is very easy, just I'll try to create video tutorial for this. First of all, please, I will install it on demotemplates.com website. There is nothing here at this time. First of all, you should go to host account, your cPanel, your host account cPanel. I'm here now, demo templates, and you should create MySQL base for WordPress. For this, please click on MySQL and then, for example, Heat Radio. Should write name of your base. Then click Create Base. Edit the database. As you can see, Heat Radio database has been created successfully, and its name is Demotemp Heat Radio. Demotemp Heat Radio. Now we should create user for this base. For example, just I'll create it, name WordPress or WordPress, okay, and should create password. Should use password for this user. Click create user. Password not okay. We should write. No, just click yes. User has been created successfully. Now we should give to this user access on this base. Check user, set user, and then set base, and click add. And check all privileges. Then click make changes, and now everything is okay. This user, WordPress, Demotemp WordPress user, has full access on Demotemp Heat Radio base. Now we should go to cPanel again and click File Manager. If you would like to install template in public HTML in the root of your server in public HTML folder, you should do it here. We do not need index.html file and we can delete it, and we should upload here WordPress installation package. I have it in my computer. If you have not it, you can download it from wordpress.org official website. I have WordPress installation package here and latest version, and just I'll upload it on the server. Should wait a few seconds. Everything is okay now. You can click go back. Now you can set this zip package and click extract. It has been extracted successfully and it is now in WordPress. We do not need this. We can delete this, and all files for WordPress we have in WordPress folder, but we need it here in the root. For this, click on WordPress, then check set all files and drag it and drop it on public HTML folder here. Now it is here in the right place, and we can delete this empty folder. We do not need it on the server. Now we can refresh this site and start installation process. Refresh demo templates, and we can start WordPress installation process. Click continue, then click let's go, Then as we our database name is, just a moment, our database name is this one, demo temp word. Now yes, no, base is here. Base is here. We can copy and paste it here, demo temp, and our username is WordPress. Password, I have used standard password. Localhost, it should be localhost, and VP title preface should be VP dash. Just click submit, then click run the installation, and we can write here hit radio, its title, your site title, then admin, username and password. It is admin username, admin password. Right here, for example, your email address, and click install WordPress. WordPress has been installed successfully. We can enter in WordPress dashboard. Everything is okay now. What we should do now we have installed WordPress, but not template. Now we should install template. It is very easy step. What we should do for this? First of all, we should install special plugin all in one. Click on plugins, then click add new, then click upload plugin, then choose file and find your template package which you have downloaded from gridgarden.com. When you unzip this file, you will see two folders, easy installation package and standard installation package. We need easy installation package. In this folder you find, in the plugin folder, all-in-one VP migration plugin. Click open, then click install now, then click activate plugin. Now you can update now these both plugin, which are not newest version. Now we have newest version. As you can see, you have here all-in-one VP migration. Click refresh site, and now click on import. Then import from, click file, and now in the easy installation package, find import all-in-one special file. Click open. Maximum upload size for this 2 MB. Okay, now we have uploading limit. Just we can go to our cPanel, hosting cPanel, find PHP in the editor, for example. Just a moment, I'll find it here. Yes, maximum size 2 MB. We can write here, for example, 100 here too, and click apply. That's all. We can create again, refresh site, then click import from file, and click, we should import this one. Now please wait a few seconds. It depends how fast your server is. It will be maybe a few seconds, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. It depends on how fast your server is again. As you can see, everything is okay. Next step is you should click proceed and wait again. Restoring, importing files. Seems my server is not so fast. I'm waiting a lot of time. And last thing, we should click on permalink settings. Click permalink settings, admin, and we should click save 2 times. In the settings permalink section, we should click 2 times. 1 time click save changes, and 2nd time click save changes. That's all. Now should be work without any problems. As you can see, everything is okay now. It works fine. About, collection, blog, and blog post. And of course, contact page too. Everything works fine. It is very easy. Please let us know if you need any further information or help from us. And just I'll try to write. I'll try to write username and password. If you install this template, username for admin area will be admin and password Q1W2E3R4T5. This is username and password. Please see better. Username with small, admin and password Q1 with small, later Q1W2E3R4ET5 and T5. Thank you very much.